Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to make this beautiful pork fried rice. Little bit of a process on the go with the pork, which makes a big difference, I think, but it really is, apart from that, really easy and of course delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started. So my pork is there. I'm using pork leg. You can use a different part of the pork if you want. And I've cut it into little tiny bits. It's really quite small what we're using here. Like a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 egg. Fish sauce. Now be careful with fish sauce. It's very, very strong. There's about a tablespoon there. And there's like 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy. That's a dark soy. Salt and pepper. Very simply, we're going to mix this all together. So here we go. In a mixing bowl, as you can see, nice small pieces of the pork cut there, salt and pepper, be quite generous with that, the fish sauce, the dark soy, the egg, and the all-purpose flour. And as you can see, I've got a glove on. I'm going to go in there. We're going to mix this all in. Once it's done, we're going to get over to the cooker and we're going to fry this off first. See you in a moment. Okay, so I've got a wok here, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something else if you wanted, like a canola or corn, something kind of fairly neutral. What we're going to do is we're going to just grab the pork. We're going to get it in there. I'm going to fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's going to be really delicious, this. Okay, so this is where we want it to be. Nice and crispy, but still a little bite, you know, on the meat. We're going to set that aside and we can move on. Okay, so just see me get some veg and that together. Wok, again, got some oil in there using a sunflower oil. Getting that hot, we're going to drop in our onion. Now stay on a high heat all the way now. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Just as the onions are taken, we're now going to go in with our sliced ginger, our garlic, and some peanuts. I'm going to get them in there unroasted. We're going to just fry them off in there. We're now going to add a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, and again about another 3 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to get the pork back in now. So in that goes. 3 to 4 minutes again. Keep it moving all the time. We're on a high heat. Fabulous. Let's get those bell peppers in there, a nice bit of colour. And then we're going to get our rice in. Now, I've got some basmati rice here, cooked basmati. Use a different rice if you want. But what is important, I always find, is cold rice. Don't put hot rice in here. Cold rice is always better. In fact, 1 day old rice is actually perfect. There you go. About 4 or 5 minutes now. Stirring, getting some nice colour, if we can, onto the rice. I'll see you then. Hope you can hear that. That's the rice frying away there. And that's beautiful. Off goes the heat. Some spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them. One more mix. This is done. It's beautiful. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, beautiful. If you want, a fried egg on there is lovely. Maybe some chili flakes. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. Do leave a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.